A few years ago, chatting with artificial intelligence felt revolutionary. You could ask a question, generate an email, write code, or summarize a document in seconds. But every interaction followed the same pattern. You gave the AI a prompt, it produced an answer, and then it waited for your next instruction. As impressive as these systems were, they still behaved like highly knowledgeable assistants waiting for directions. Now, artificial intelligence is entering a completely different phase. Instead of simply answering questions, a new generation of AI is learning how to plan, reason, make decisions, and complete entire tasks with minimal human guidance. This new approach is known as Agentic AI, and many experts believe it represents the next major leap in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Rather than acting like a chatbot, Agentic AI behaves more like an intelligent coworker. Give it an objective instead of a single prompt, and it can determine the steps needed to achieve that objective, adapt when circumstances change, and continue working until the task is complete. That shift may sound subtle, but it has the potential to transform nearly every industry. To understand why Agentic AI is receiving so much attention, we first need to understand the limitations of traditional AI systems. Most chatbots are reactive. They respond only when asked to do something. If you want them to complete a complex project, you need to guide them through every step. You ask one question, receive one answer, then ask another. The AI has no real understanding of the larger objective beyond the current conversation. Agentic AI approaches problems differently. Instead of focusing on individual prompts, it focuses on goals. Imagine telling an AI, research the best electric vehicles for my budget, compare ownership costs, schedule test drives, and prepare a final recommendation. A traditional chatbot might provide information about electric vehicles. An agentic AI system could break the task into multiple stages, gather information from trusted sources, compare specifications, calculate long-term expenses, organize appointments, and present everything in a structured report without needing constant instructions. The difference isn't simply speed. It's the ability to make decisions throughout the process. To achieve this, Agentic AI combines several important capabilities into one system. The first is planning. Before taking action, the AI analyzes the overall objective and creates a sequence of smaller tasks. Instead of solving everything at once, it determines the most efficient path toward the final goal. The second capability is reasoning. As new information becomes available, the AI evaluates it, identifies patterns, weighs different options, and decides what should happen next. If something unexpected occurs, it doesn't immediately stop. It adjusts its strategy. The third capability is memory. Agentic AI can retain important context from previous interactions, user preferences, completed tasks, and ongoing projects. This allows future decisions to become more informed and personalized rather than treating every request as an entirely new conversation. Software development is one of the earliest examples. Rather than helping developers write individual pieces of code, modern AI agents can analyze an entire software project, identify bugs, recommend improvements, generate documentation, run automated tests, and continue refining the application with minimal supervision. Businesses are also embracing Agentic AI for customer service. Instead of answering frequently asked questions, intelligent agents can investigate customer issues, access account information, coordinate with internal systems, recommend solutions, and escalate only the most complex cases to human representatives. Marketing teams are discovering similar advantages. An agentic AI system can analyze campaign performance, research competitors, identify emerging trends, draft advertising content, organize publishing schedules, and continuously monitor results to recommend future improvements. Financial organizations are using intelligent agents to examine large datasets, detect suspicious transactions, prepare compliance reports, monitor market activity, and assist analysts in making faster, better-informed decisions. Healthcare is another field with enormous potential. Rather than replacing doctors, Agentic AI can reduce administrative workloads by organizing medical records, summarizing research papers, assisting with documentation, and helping healthcare professionals locate relevant information more efficiently. In every case, the goal isn't simply automation. It's collaboration. Instead of replacing human expertise, Agentic AI handles repetitive coordination, information gathering, and routine decision-making so people can focus on creativity, strategy, and complex problem-solving. One of the most exciting developments is the emergence of multi-agent systems. Rather than relying on a single AI to complete every task, organizations are creating teams of specialized AI agents that work together. One agent performs research. Another analyzes data. A third creates reports. A fourth reviews everything for quality before presenting the final result. This cooperative approach mirrors how successful human organizations operate, with different specialists contributing their expertise toward a shared objective. As these systems become more sophisticated, they will be capable of managing increasingly complex projects that involve thousands of interconnected decisions. Of course, greater autonomy also creates greater responsibility. An AI capable of taking independent actions must also understand boundaries, permissions, and safety rules. Developers are investing heavily in human oversight, approval checkpoints, transparent decision-making, and security controls to ensure agentic AI remains reliable and trustworthy. That's why human oversight remains essential, especially in industries like healthcare, finance, and law, where accuracy and accountability are critical. Another challenge is trust. For an AI agent to act on your behalf, it may need access to emails, calendars, documents, financial information, or business software. That makes strong security, permission controls, and transparent decision-making more important than ever. Users need to understand not only what the AI is doing, but also why it's making those decisions. Despite these challenges, the direction is becoming increasingly clear. Technology companies are investing billions of dollars into agentic AI because they see it as the future of productivity. Instead of using AI as a tool for isolated tasks, businesses want intelligent systems that can coordinate complete workflows, collaborate with employees, and continuously improve over time. This shift could fundamentally change how people interact with computers. Rather than opening multiple applications and completing every step manually, users will simply define a goal. The AI will determine the best approach, use the necessary tools, adapt when conditions change, and deliver the final result with minimal intervention. History has repeatedly shown that computing evolves by reducing complexity. We moved from command-line interfaces to graphical desktops, then to smartphones and voice assistants. Agentic AI represents the next step in that evolution, where software becomes increasingly proactive instead of reactive. The real breakthrough isn't that AI can generate better answers. It's that AI is beginning to think in terms of objectives rather than prompts. That single change transforms artificial intelligence from a conversational assistant into a capable digital collaborator. As these systems continue to mature, they'll become an essential part of businesses, research, education, and everyday life. Agentic AI isn't just another chatbot with more features. It's a new way of working with technology, one where intelligent software doesn't simply respond to instructions but actively helps achieve meaningful outcomes. Over the next decade, the most valuable AI systems may not be the ones that generate the best responses, but the ones that quietly solve real problems in the background. As agentic AI becomes more capable, it has the potential to redefine productivity, allowing people and organizations to accomplish more with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency than ever before.